Alright, so today's video, I'm on my way down to the lake. I've got some friends that we met through a video of mine on YouTube. They actually saw my ice shanty and recognized it. They're on the same lake, and they've got a pretty unique shanty too. So I'm on my way down to meet with them. We're going to go over their shanty, and I think you'll like it, so stick around. We are at the lake. It's literally like 40 seconds down the road from my house. It looks a little icy, so we'll bring some ice cleats with us. But I'm gonna go out and check it out. Looks like some other people got the same idea today. They're gonna get in the last bit of ice. So up here we've got about, I think, 14 or 15 inches of ice still on the lake. And a lot of places we had a warm up and the ice breaks up. So a lot of people come up here, catch this late season ice fishing, even though in my opinion it's not the best lake to be at, but it's still ice fishing, so take what you can get, right? Alright, let's get these cleats on and we'll take you out there and meet them. Alright, as promised, we're out here on the lake today and we're here to show you this shanty. This is my buddy Russ and Eric, their shanty. This is Russ here. Just going over it real quick. It's built out of Luan, and they did that so that it's light. It's got a pretty cool paint job on it, and it's unique because it's 8x10. It comes apart, and they travel on a, I'm trying to block the wind with my body here. They travel, they move it with a flat snowmobile trailer. So people that live up in this area, we have shanties that are permanently built all the time, so it's really unique to have something like this. We've got gas outside, sits on the skis. I didn't know that you could tow this either direction, can't you?
Yeah, this rope goes all the way around, and we just swing it from one end to the other when we change direction.
Perfect. Perfect. They've had this shanty for about 5 years now, and so it's going to get wear and tear, bringing it out, taking it apart, putting it together. Everybody knows Luan isn't for outside, but they got a good coat of paint on it, and it makes it light. So you just plan on doing some maintenance to it and keeping it going. So let's go in and check out the inside. All right. So first things first, you see the turnbuckles up in the corners. So you guys put together the walls first, stand them up, yes, and then put the roof on.
The roof is 2 pieces.
2 pieces. Nice. How does it connect? Right here in the middle?
Yeah, the metal roofing overlaps. The cord
okay.
Metal roof overlaps.
Nice. And this is insulated underneath it?
Yeah.
4 inches of foam.
4 inches of foam in the roof.
Yeah.
Wow. I know it's always warm in here. Real nice bar top, necessity for snacks and refreshments. I noticed there's no beer cans up here today.
It's too early.
It's too early. Oh, there we go.
We've got a fishing hatch down here.
Nice.
No activity today.
Yep. Yep. Always thought this is a real cool shanty. They got a cooking corner. I've seen everything from chicken wings to venison, sausage. They've always got something going on. It smells good, and I manage to stop by most of the time when they're cooking, or they're cooking all the time. I don't know.
You do have good timing.
Yeah. We've got just a truck box for storage.
Truck tool bed, truck bed toolbox.
Doubles as storage and a seat. That's good idea too. Aluminum, so it's light. And so we've been out here, 4 adults, 3 or 4 kids in here at a rip.
Oh yeah. We've packed them in here.
Myself, and it's always warm. You just heat it mainly with just this buddy heater?
That's it. yesterday we didn't have that on until the sun went down. It was just
Right.
solar heat in here. It was
Yep.
warm.
Yep. Speaking of solar, that's another cool thing. Little solar panel from you said Tractor Supply,
Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight.
Yeah.
Just runs lights that are in these tubes, and they just come on every night, and it's cool. A nice thing is these fans.
Don't look at the wiring.
That's professional.
Yeah, very professional.
But those fans are from computers, right?
Yeah. Yep.
And just run off from the 12 volt.
Yep.
And that's because sometimes you'll get the right humidity, cooking and everything. The windows get fogged up, so that keeps them pretty open. But so they come up every couple weeks in the wintertime and have a good time, get away from everything, hopefully catch some fish. I think it's more about
On occasion. Yeah.
eating some good food and having a good time. But that's it. You guys got anything else?
No, you may have to revisit this next year. We're gonna do some renovations over the summer.
All right.
We're gonna swing the door in so it doesn't get ripped off every time
Right.
the wind blows.
Okay. Yeah, that's a big thing.
And maybe reskin the outside.
Yep. Yep. Got some ventilation up there too. That's good.
We can drop that down for more if we're cooking in here.
Right. Yep. So it's thought out pretty well. I think this will be a good video for people that might want to pack light and still have some good comforts. So.
And everything that needs to come down is key weight.
Oh yeah. Okay.
All those brackets just
Got you. So that's how you remove the
racks,
shelves.
you know, all that just lifts
Pops up and comes off. Okay. Man, you got a lot of good storage. I never really noticed it before, but that's...
Yeah, too much junk.
Yeah. Yep. All right. Well, hope everybody enjoyed this, and be sure to click like and subscribe, and give these guys some fame. Thanks for watching. So I just got off the lake. I'm back home. I was thinking about the video I just shot. I just want to let everybody know that the revenue that comes from this video is probably not going to be much. I'm not a big time YouTuber, but whatever we get is going to go back to these guys and their families for food or drink for the shanty, and we're going to spread it around. So I appreciate you watching the channel. I appreciate them for letting me make the video, and hopefully spark some people's interest, give them some ideas, and that's what it's all about. So appreciate it, guys.